Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Lloyds Finance. First step is to open a browser. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Lloyds Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the home page of Lloyds Bank. Here on the top right of the navigation bar, you can see log on option, click on it. Now you have two options if you are logging as personal or as a business. Now click on personal. Now you'll need your user ID and password, so type in your user ID. Now type in your password. Now if you click on this box, then you are ensuring that you are saving the information on your browser. You can leave it as unchecked if you are using public or shared computer. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on register online and create a new account. And if you have forgotten your login details, then you can click here. Now click on continue, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Lloyds Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.